Hello guys, I'm Naveen. Today we are going to see how to create a moon texture in Blender. It's simple. We can finish it in 5 minutes. Uh, so you, it's a small tutorial. Please follow me. Thank you. I think we can insert quartz sphere in shape of the moon. I'll change it to material preview and change it to shader editor. Create new material. Press Ctrl T to map it to the texture coordinate. You don't need an image texture here. I'm going to insert notch texture. We don't need UV. We can move to object material, base color. Okay, we can adjust it to according to our needs. Detail, we can set the detail. Don't need, I think I can insert some roughness here. Okay, I think zero point 0.5 is good for me. You guys make it adjust according to your needs. I think this one is okay for me. Okay, insert the bump. Okay, its strength is more than enough. So, but I can move it to point 0.2. We can see point 0.2. Yeah, point 0.2 is good. I'll keep it point 0.1. The point 0.1 also okay, but I think I go with point 0.2. You can go with whatever suits for you guys. You can adjust this first. Okay, I need to give the emission for that. And insert the emission color should be already taken this color. You can see in the screen. We want to take the mix shader to mix this principal BSDF and emission. I don't know. Okay. Okay, I think I'm in EV. Okay. For the emission to take the effect, we have to check the bloom option here. No, it's too much of brightness. I think I'll go 5. 5 is good. Okay, we can go with 3. Okay, 4. I think it's good. Okay, can insert the background. I think I will go with color. Okay. Which one to go? I think we have completed the moon creation. It's simple. We can add more details here, but I thought it should be small tutorial, so I'll stop it up to here. You guys can adjust the values and you can try it out, guys. Okay, you can render it for now. Before that, I will change the rendering options. Okay, it's rendering now. Yeah, it's completed, as you guys can see now. Okay, as we see the result, I think I have explained what the notes we have used. Uh, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas that or you guys have to say, want to connect with me, please type it in the comment. I'll try to reply to you guys. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. See you soon.